Hey guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So let's talk about the price of Bitcoin and what can happen. Now, Bitcoin can go up, Bitcoin can go down. The thing is, can we get lucky and can we find out if it's going to go up or down? And I think it's going to go up, so I'm in a long right now. So let's talk about what I'm doing here, and I'll show you my trade too, because I'm in a long right now. So if you want to be long, I put my stop below about 29,200. I'll show you another stop loss. Might be a little safer because it might come down to this support right here. If you watched the last video, I was talking about this H1 chart. So on my website, you get access to it. The website links pinned in the first comment description. By the way, guys, if you watched the last video, I have a special going on, but you have to go back and watch that video. I'm not going to go over that again, but same thing applies to this video too. So I was talking about right here. I said it'd be long above 30,324. So if you break that support, then you might want that be resistance, and we could drop. I see the next support level is about 29,168. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. So what I was talking about, guys, right up here. See, we broke this support, right? It was support, it was resistance, and once we broke it as support, then it became resistance. You can see it came up, tested again, and we dropped. So that was your point to short right there when we broke that support level. And you see it came down here, and I was talking about this right now and right here in this video. See, I was saying like 29,100, 29,168. You see what happened? See, it's our support, it's white line right here. We did break below a bit. I mean, we broke below it a bit, but you see we came back above it. See, it's our support. Now we did get a wick below, but I'm in long right now because we're above this line. I think we're going to probably range up and down, up and down. By the way, guys, you want to sign up for BitGet. That's the exchange I use to trade on. I love the platform, trust the platform. My link if you want to sign up is pinned first comment description. I also have another option for you for no VPN. But you can see I'm currently up $107. This is my second long trade. My previous long trade, I was up $750, but I did not take profit. Price dropped down and I lost about $40. I'm really upset about that, but maybe I have better luck with this one. So yeah, for this trade right here, guys, if you're looking for a safe stop, I'd say below 29,200. And if you really want to play it safe, now if you drop this far, it could drop a lot further, but I'd have my stop probably below about 29,014. That'd be a safe stop, I think, probably. And in Discord, I did keep you guys updated, so this is where I said I entered my long trade. The reason was because the DXY was at resistance coming down, and Bitcoin was at support. We did get a little fake out, and I got stopped out, like I said. Let's see here. So this is where I showed my trade. I was up in my trade. And this is my new trade. I'm in my trade right now, so we'll see what happens with that. I also talked about DXY in the previous video. The previous link I talked about in the beginning of this video. So we've got rejected at 102, support's 101. So yeah, just check that out, guys. And you notice I have these lines right, I mean these arrows, this white arrow. See when the DXY peaked? You can see that's when Bitcoin was its bottom, right? Right here you can see the yellow. See when the DXY bottomed? That's when Bitcoin pushed up. So all this matches. So we can see right here Bitcoin bottomed, DXY peaked. So Bitcoin is following the DXY. So if you see DXY get above 102.2, well, you know Bitcoin's coming down further. And if Bitcoin, let's say if DXY come down to 101 and hold support, what that means Bitcoin's going to come down. So pay attention to that. Run out of breath talking like this. Hold on. So yeah, guys. So I think what's going to happen is we're going to range up and down, something like this. You know, that's a white line I'm going to short right there. So something like this. Finally going to be resistance, and then we're going to crash. So that's what I expect to happen, guys. Remember what I said about the Dow Jones. This is the absolute top. I'm going to short the shit out of this when we get to this point. Guys, if you want to sign up, get access to charts, website's opticrypto.com. Links pinned in the first comment description. You can sign up for BitGet. Links right here in the pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.